Hey everyone, welcome back. Since Intel is launching its 10th generation CPUs in a couple of days, I thought it's a perfect opportunity to check out one of the Z490 motherboards that are launching fairly soon. This time around, it's the ASRock Z490 Extreme 4. So let's take a look. Here we go. Let's unbox the ASRock Z490 Extreme 4 motherboard, which fully supports Intel's 10th generation of CPUs. First up is a quick installation guide telling you everything you need to know about your motherboard. A software setup guide helping you set up your BIOS. A postcard so you can send it to a good friend or so. And finally, I got another coffee mug coaster. 2 Velcro strips, which always come in handy for your cable management. 4 pieces of SATA cables for your hard drives. And some M.2 screws and standoffs. So let's get this beauty out of the box, shall we? And let's now take a closer look at the motherboard itself. We got 2 USB 2.0 ports, PS2 mouse and keyboard port, an HDMI port, a display port, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port, 2.5 gigabit LAN, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, your HD audio jacks, and a digital audio port. Your front panel audio header, TPM connector, addressable RGB and RGB header, USB 3.2 Gen 1 header, 2 USB 2.0 headers, 2 case fan or water pump connectors, system panel and speaker header, 2 SATA connectors, and another case fan or water pump connector. Another case fan and water pump connector, 4 SATA connectors, USB 3.2 Gen 1 header, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 header, the ATX power connector, and 4 DDR4 RAM slots that support speeds up to 4266 MHz. Here we have another ARGB and RGB header, CPU fan, water pump connector, as well the 12V ATX power connectors. So let's take a look at the M.2 slots of the motherboard. We got 2 Gen 3 Ultra M.2 slots. We got an M.2 Key E Wi-Fi slot for your Wi-Fi module. And yes, we even have a Gen 4 Hyper M.2 slot. You can definitely run Gen 4 M.2s in this slot, since the board comes with an extra clock generator for that. But beware, the CPU must support it. To finish up on our overview of the board, let's look at the Pci Express slots. We got two Pci Express 3.0 slots by 16 and three Pci Express 3.0 slots by 1. And since the board is really good looking in my opinion, let's throw in a little bit more B-roll. I do hope you enjoyed my ASRock Z490 Extreme 4 motherboard overview video. I will be using this board in a PC build video later down the road, so definitely look out for that. And that's pretty much a wrap for this one. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, I would appreciate it. In any way, see you soon. Bye.